Hey makers, this is Dhruveen, and in this session we are going to talk about how we can draw dynamic x-axis constant for Power BI line chart. This new feature has been rolled out with August 2021 Power BI desktop update. So let's explore this feature in detail. Here I am on my machine, and here you can see that I have created one line chart with two constant x-axis line. These two lines are something which separates my x-axis with two dates, 1000 days separation date and 1200 days separation date. Now, this date is something which is dynamically in nature and calculated based on my date table. So how we can draw our dynamic x-axis constant line over here? Let's talk about that thing. First of all, I have created this line chart with date as a axis value and sales as a value column. Now I want to separate my line with two constant x-axis line. One is the date before 1000 days and date before 1200 days. So how can we do that? Here the measure for both the date has been already created. To calculate the 1000 days before date, I just created this measure where maximum of date from this table minus 1000, that will give me the date before 1000 days. Same way for 1200 days, we need to subtract 1200 days from the maximum date from the date table. Right? That is very simple and easy. Now we need to provide this dynamic value to our x-axis constant line. For that, select your visualization, go to the analytics section and expand the x-axis constant line. Click on add, and now you need to provide the dynamic value over here. You can see this formula icon over here. Earlier there was only an option to add the static date from the value section, but now here we have a flexibility to make this date configurable. For that, click on this formula bar, format by field value. Let's select the field. The measure that we created was 1000 days separation, so let's select that and click on OK. So that has added one line with 1000 days separation. Let's rename this field over here, 1000 days. Now same way, let's add another line, and over here let's provide another field, that is 1200 days, and let's rename this field 1200 days. Now over here some more enhancement has been done by Microsoft. Now let's change the line color. I'm changing line color with this color, so this will looking nice like this. Now I wanted to turn on the data label as well, so it is showing me the date value over here, and same way let's say for 1000 days as well, select this one and turn on the data label, and we are good to go. Now we also wanted to represent name and value, so let's select that. So it has added a label 1000 days, and you will get to know that this is the date which is before 1000 days separation line, right? Same way, let's select the another one and let's select name and value, right? So this looks cool. Now one more important enhancement that has been done over here, which is shade region. Let's say for an example, I wanted to apply some shading, like after the separation line I want to add some sort of colors background shade, then you can apply like this. If you wanted to apply that before this separation line, use before, and from here you can set the transparency of the color as well, so that you can easily understand that this data is something which is before my separation line and this is something which is after my separation line, right? So let's apply some shading color over here. So I'm just applying some shading color and I just wanted to apply after one, so this is looking nice, right? Now for this one as well, let's apply after one, so it will overlap this particular color. So let's select 1000 days, go here and select shade region and after one, and let's apply that, so that it has overlapped the earlier color, and this is looking like this. So basically, to summarize everything, we have discussed couple of things here. First of all, we discussed about how to draw x-axis constant line. Then we decided that how we can add the dynamic value for x-axis constant line in Power BI. And third point, we talked about different properties and how we can draw shade regions for our x-axis constant line. Hope this video helps you and values your time. If you have any question, feel free to add your question in the comment section. And if you really like this video, share it with your friends and family. With this is Dhruvin signing off. See you in the next session with some amazing content. Till then, follow me on all my social media handles. Have a great day. Goodbye.